their fortune?
Yes.
Furby listening, say, tell my fortune.
Tell my fortune.
Yup, gotcha.
Come on, tell my poor fortune.
Cool.
Furby. Copycat. Tell me a joke.
Can I repeat, please?
Furby, are you hungry?
Pizza. Nuh-uh, don't unfluff the floof.
Hey, Furby. Tell me a joke.
Say again, please.
Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke.
What?
Oh my goodness. Hey, Furby. Are you my friend? You're so hard to use, Furby.
Hello.
How do you... Hey, Furby.
So, how do I look?
Hey, Furby. Go to bed.
Oh, hello.
Good night.
Word to the third.
You're so confusing. Hey, Furby. Hey, Furby. Tell me...
One more time, please.
You just eat. That's the only thing you know how to do.
Finally, something yum to eat.
Bye, Furby.
Uh-huh.
Good night.